Negative forms of verbs is something that we've learnt in detail with the example of watching a movie. Now the most popular verb madu. So work madu is kelsa madu is work. So I am not working, I didn't work, I will not work is what we learn for the first person. You can further apply it to second person, third person, and so on. I am not working. ನಾನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. I didn't work. ನಾನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ or ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, and you know the difference between ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ and ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ already. I won't work. ನಾನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. Instead of ನಾನು, if you put ನೀನು, it will become second person in singular. If you put ನೀವು, it will become second person in plural or respectful form. ಅವನು, ಅವಳು is he or she. ಅವರು is they. And you also know adding alla or tane will make it a question. So let's see two more verbs in the next video. Thank you for watching 1 Minute Kannada class. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.